What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another Halloween drinks special. Happy Halloween everyone, as it's coming up to that time of the year again. So for today's video I will be doing a comparison between the original Brain Hemorrhage Shot, or the Bloody Brain, and the Alien Brian Hemorrage Shot. So I'll show you the difference between the two. So the first shot I'll make will be the Brain Hemorrhage Shot. 50ml or 2 parts of Peach Schnapps. So what you want to do is fill it 2/3 of the way up. Now layer on the Baileys, go say about 25ml, 1 part. So the trick to do it is pour slowly over a bar spoon, watch it layer. And the final thing now is to add a drop of grenadine. So we'll add a couple of drops just to show you the brain effect. Of why it's called the Brain Hemorrhage Shot or the Bloody Brain. And there we go, guys, one Bloody Brain Shot or one Brain Hemorrhage Shot. Doesn't it look beautiful? It's a nice effect. And now to make the Alien Brain Hemorrhage Shot. So to make this, it's again 50ml or 2 parts of Peach Schnapps. And you fill the shot glass 2/3 of the way up. Next, gently layer on top the Baileys Irish Cream, about 25ml, and pour slowly. So what you want to do next is get your blue curacao and add a dash. So that's about 5ml. So as you can carefully see, the blue curacao is starting to seep through. Creates a very nice effect. Now to add in the grenadine, the final touch. Again, 1 dash, because I will add a couple of drops. And there we go, 1 Alien Brain Hemorrhage Shot. Doesn't it look perfect? That is fantastic. That's a really nice effect. Same with the Brain Hemorrhage Shot or the Bloody Brain Shot. And there we go, 2 perfect shots for Halloween. The Brain Hemorrhage Shot or the Bloody Brain Shot and the Alien Brain Hemorrhage Shot. The difference is with the blue curacao. How do they taste? How do they taste? So first I will do the Brain Hemorrhage Shot. Cheers. Oh. Trouble with Baileys, it curdles, it's awkward to take. And now the Alien Brain Hemorrhage Shot. Cheers. If it's to give the Brain Hemorrhage Shot a rating, I'd give it 5 out of 10. That just curdles as soon as I was taking it down, just quite, ugh. I didn't mind it, it's quite tasty with the grenadine when you finally do get to that part. Well, it wasn't as bad with the Alien Brain Hemorrhage Shot. I'd give that a 7 out of 10. And that is my ratings for the 2 Halloween shots. What do you think of these 2? But certainly fun to make. It's a nice Halloween shots, both of them. They're very effective. They're great for Halloween parties and shots as well. And that, guys, is my 2 Halloween shots for Halloween. Happy Halloween. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more Halloween cocktails, as I will be doing 1 more video for Halloween, and I will see you then. Happy Halloween. Cheers.